So welcome back, Xavier again, and so we're gonna be watching Hawkeye season 1 episode 3 today, and right. So last episode we see that Hawkeye and Kate Bishop got captured by the Tracksuit Mafia. And we saw their leader is a woman, and got some further iffy stuff about Jack. See the police involved. Kate's apartment got caught on fire. So it just set us up for interesting things. So we'll see. I know Clint is trying to get home to his family by Christmas, which is in around 5 days. And yeah, so bit of setup there, and we go again. In 2007, the 4 agents in New York. Okay, this must be the Rush Tracksuit Mafia leader, who is hearing impaired. Hearing impaired. Okay, so we see that she is still involved, even though she's not getting any extra help. Interesting. So she's advanced.
You have to learn to jump between two worlds. Just by watching.
Okay, I guess we're gonna see her how she navigates learning martial arts. Is her uncle some kind of criminal? I don't know. I don't know why that didn't show his face.
Fight!
Oh, Ronin killed people she knew. Yeah. Now I see her angle on this. Is that her father? Oh. Her father was involved in some crime. I assume he was involved in the crime because that's the only people Ronin went after. Like the criminal world. It still sucks either way, It makes sense she has vendetta for him, why she wants revenge.
Yes. This is boring. Dimitri, let's play cards.
Seems like you're mad at me.
Oh, I guess it's been all night? Is it daytime now?
You good?
I buy Imagine Dragons tickets for my girlfriend as like early Christmas gift. Right?
That's so sweet.
Kurde,
Yeah, that is nice.
Then we had a fight. You know what she said? She said that the tickets were a gift. So she wants to bring her sister.
I mean, look on the bright side. You don't have to go see Imagine Dragons.
I love Imagine Dragons.
Oh, damn.
She doesn't even like them. No, she did this on purpose to hurt me.
Look, I think you both owe apologies. Tell her she hurt your feelings, but apologize for pretending that was a gift for her.
Okay, wait, super. I need a pen. Just, okay? See you.
See? A little trust, a little communicating, a little listening.
That was good advice. Fellow person here.
You?
Problem.
Oh, yeah, just sorry. Hard of hearing, not deaf.
Now the suit. She put it on by accident. She didn't know what it means. She's not Ronin. Look at her, she's 9. And spoiled rotten.
She beat up a few of my guys and then came running when you were in trouble. Seems like she's got something to do with it. And just because she's not the Ronin, doesn't mean that Ronin's not back.
No, decent argument. Good point.
How do you know?
Exactly. How do you know?
Because he's dead.
Maya, no!
Oh God, I put that suit on because I didn't want anybody to know that I was at the auction. Okay, I didn't know what it was when I put it on. I swear. I swear.
What are you doing? Doesn't matter, okay? Listen to me. Listen to me. No, now's not the time to be scared.
Yeah, it sounds like a good time to be scared to me.
How did you do
That
that?
was the signal.
Go! Help Maya!
She's gonna step on it. That was cool. Oh. I like the action scenes in this show so far. Pretty good. Haven't seen any problems so far. Look at that. I saw that. What?
We need a car.
Oh, can we take this one? Man, this thing's beautiful.
We're not smashing a 72 Challenger. Come on.
I like that shot. That was nice. Oh, it's continuing. Okay.
Get in front of them! Get in front of
I like what they're doing here with it, for the film in this. Cool.
You know, it would be a lot easier if we were facing the other way.
You were facing the other way.
Yeah, just a...
Hang on.
Yeah. People definitely died.
And the Challenger gets totaled anyway.
Yep.
not wrong.
He's been cooped up all day. Not quite sure how long a dog can
Call
live.
yourself one of the world's greatest archers.
You're talking about two different things, cause
God, you really think so? I won't lie, I wasn't sure how he's doing.
Probably should walk the dog. What do you think? Been cooped up all day.
yeah, like you said. Exactly. Who's in charge? Yeah. HBIC.
It's the most amazing, though. Better than anything we did in the middle of that crazy battle.
She's talking to herself, he can't hear you. Oh, he did that on purpose. He definitely did that on purpose. He didn't want to hear her.
It comes with a price.
What does?
It's the life you want to live. To really help people, really try to help people anyway. Comes with a lot of sacrifices. And some things you'll lose. Forever.
Yeah, he lost his friend, his bestie forever.
Also things you gain. Like trick arrows and a cool costume. Speaking of which, picture this. In purple.
Ah, a comic costume. Well, better drawn, of course.
My job is to be, number one, a ghost. Number two, my wife would divorce me if I put something like this on. And number three, I'm not a role model. I'm sorry, Kate, I'm not a role model to anyone. Never have been.
What you are to her. You're her role model.
You have to name this dog, you know.
Hey, Pizza Dog is a fine name.
Little Caesar.
Pizza Dog.
Dogfather. Sir Dog of Pizza. Pizza Dog.
Yeah. Pizza Dog.
You'll think Jack is involved in this thing somehow?
Yes. There's too many coincidences. He was at the auction that night, and yesterday he offered me a butterscotch.
You're gonna need to explain the butterscotch.
You sure no one's home, right?
Yes, relax.
Jeez, this is a home?
Yeah, my great-great-great-great-grandfather built the building. I tried to swing from that very chandelier and broke my arm. So, yeah, pretty impressive family all the way around.
Wow.
Oh, it's a family home. Okay.
And I've just been locked out.
Yo, this series and their endings. Alright, so that was episode 3 of Hawkeye. So we got some information, more information on Traxxas Mafia, where we see that Maya is like a mini boss of them, and she was like Kazi guy was her second in command. And you know, she is hearing impaired, and you know, the guy which guy am I talking about? Oh, right, her father was involved in that criminal business, and she took over once Ronin killed him, because Ronin, you know, like did a hit on them, and you know, so she took over after like because Ronin took out her dad and other people, some other top bosses of the group, you know. Right, and we saw that she was super dope at martial arts, you know. But yeah, got a nice 2 action scenes with first in the warehouse and then second with the cars. And I like how they initially was shot with the cars with the car chasing with the arrow going around. Yeah, pretty cool. Oh, I thought we were gonna see the detective, but we didn't see him, so I don't know if that's gonna play a part later on. Didn't see much of the mom. We saw Jack show up at the end, the sword. What is it? It was mostly in Hawkeye we see without the Irinade is pretty much without done so regarding hearing. Yeah, so this episode is basically about those 2 big action chase scenes, those 2 big action scenes with the fight and then like the car chase, and also like that was mostly about Kate and Clint getting close together, and you know, so we'll see what's in store for them next episode with Jack and Kate and Clint. Alright, so see ya.